Well, too many dogs. That is the problem Young Williams Animal Center is facing. The shelter reports they're currently filled to capacity with adoptable dogs and puppies, so they're especially reducing fees this month.
From now until April 14th, Young Williams is offering $50 off the adoption fee for all puppies and $25 off the adoption fee for all adult dogs. That makes it $100 for puppies, $50 for adult dogs.
Yeah, and it includes a physical exam, spay or neuter surgery, test and flea prevention, and also microchip.
All right, so a great special going on there.